Step inside this 1,375 square foot North Bend townhome and feel the possibilities unfold from the moment you enter, with a welcoming layout that brings you into a bright family room that opens directly to a private patio, an easy extension of your everyday living and the perfect place to enjoy the outdoors. The flow continues into the dining area and kitchen, where original real wood cabinets, classic Corian countertops, and solid craftsmanship offer both charm and a great foundation for the updates you choose. This single-level design features 2 well-appointed bedrooms and 2 full baths, giving you comfortable, flexible spaces for rest, work, guests, or whatever fits your lifestyle. The primary bedroom shines with generous proportions and its own private deck, creating a calm retreat with an effortless indoor-outdoor connection. With timeless materials, strong structure, and room to refresh throughout, this townhome is priced right and ready for its next chapter with a new owner's vision. Learn more at the link.